Good morning, dear children. Children, in our previous class, we have seen that Shivaji Maharaj wanted to conquer his forts, but not on the sacrifice of his loyal Sardars, on the life of his loyal Sardars. यानी शिवाजी महाराज को अपने फोर्ट्स मुगल से वापस लेने थे, लेकिन वो उसके बदले में अपने जो लॉयल सरदार्स है उनकी डेथ नहीं चाहते थे. Okay, so today we are going to continue the remaining part of the chapter. Take out page number 47. Page number 47, last para, Treaty of Purandar. Treaty means a legal document which has been signed by two parties. It is an official document. Treaty of Purandar. What could be done? He was not strong enough to fight the powerful Mughals. He means who? शिवाजी महाराज. शिवाजी महाराज alone was not only यानी वो अकेले इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं थे कि वो ये मुगल्स के साथ इतनी उनकी यूज आर्मी के साथ फाइट कर सके, लेकिन उन्हें अपने फोर्ट्स भी वापस चाहिए थे और अपने जो लॉयल सरदार्स है, उनके जो कंपेनियन है, उनकी सेफ्टी भी चाहिए थी. सो व्हाट वाज द सॉल्यूशन that we are going to see now. All his political skill was also of no avail. There was only one thing he could do. He decided on a temporary withdrawal. Temporary means not permanent. It is for a time while. Temporary withdrawal from the fight. He would never into a treaty with the Mughals emperor. Means Shivaji Maharaj was unwilling to sign any compromise, any treaty, any friendship with the Mughals. But he had no solution. So he signed a treaty or official document with the Mughals. Now what was that treaty? He went and saw Jai Singh. This was a very sensible and statesmanlike thing to do. He said to Jai Singh, he means who here? Shivaji Maharaj, yes. He said to Jai Singh, Mirza Raje, you are a Rajput. You can understand our suffering. The emperor's campaigns have led the country waste and people are in a great misery. I have undertaken this task of establishing Swaraj so that people may be happy. You should join me in this uphill task. If you agree to lead us, myself and my Mavlas will be your trusted followers. Means what Shivaji Maharaj said to Mirza Raje Jai Singh, that you are also a Rajput, you are not a Mughal, you are from our side only, you are a Rajput, you can understand our people's suffering. So don't let our country, our people, our own people to be sufferers from the Mughals, and they are in a great misery, as all of us know. And I have undertaken for the people's sake this task of establishing the Swaraj. Swaraj means what? People's rule, isn't it? So that people will be happy, and you should also support me in this great task. If you are ready to support us, means me myself means Shivaji Maharaj and my companions means who? Mavlas will also be your followers. हम भी आपके साथ लॉयल रहेंगे, हम भी आपके पाथ को फॉलो करेंगे. जय सिंह वॉज अ श्रूड डिप्लोमेट. श्रूड यानी वो ही वॉज नॉट लॉयल. श्रूड यानी जिसके दिमाग में कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे चलता रहता है, नॉट फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ पीपल. ओके, ही परसुएडेड शिवाजी टू साइन अ here you can say Mirza Raje Jai Singh meets Shivaji Maharaj, isn't it? He persuaded Shivaji to sign a treaty of peace with the emperor. Persuaded means he forced Shivaji Maharaj, यानी ऐसे situations पैदा की कि शिवाजी महाराज was compelled to sign a treaty of peace with the emperor. Shivaji signed the treaty, and according to its terms, 23 forts and a territory with a revenue of 4 lakh horns. Horns mean a gold coin. We are to be handed over to the emperor. अब ये treaty में क्या था कि शिवाजी महाराज को उनके 23 forts और ऐसी एक टेरिटरी, उनका एक ऐसा रीजन देना पड़ेगा जिसका रेवेन्यू, जिसका उत्पन्न, रेवेन्यू यानी उत्पन्न कितना हो? 4 लाख हॉर्न्स. हॉर्न्स मतलब गोल्ड कॉइन. और ये उन्हें एम्परर को देना पड़ेगा. इसके बदले में बाकी के जो फोर्ट्स है शिवाजी महाराज के और उनके जो सरदार, उनका जो बाकी टेरिटरी है, एरिया है, वहाँ पर मुगल्स अटैक नहीं करेंगे. The Treaty of Purandar was signed in 1665. This is very, very, very important. You have to learn this. The Treaty of Purandar, when it was signed? It was signed in 1665. After the treaty was signed, Jai Singh suggested to Shivaji that he should go to Agra and see the emperor. अब ये ट्रीटी साइन होने के बाद जय सिंह वो कैसा था? ही वॉज अ श्योर डिप्लोमेट, ही वॉज नॉट एट ऑल लॉयल एंड अ फेथफुल, और जिस पर हम ट्रस्ट रख सके, विश्वास रख सकते, ऐसे वो नहीं थे. उन्होंने क्या सजेस्ट किया शिवाजी महाराज को कि आपने आगरा जाना चाहिए. क्यों? वहाँ पर आपने एम्परर से मिलना चाहिए. He also guaranteed शिवाजी सेफ रिटर्न. उन्होंने शिवाजी महाराज का सेफ, वहाँ पर आप सुरक्षित रहेंगे और वहाँ से आप वापस सुरक्षित आएंगे, इसका उन्होंने गारंटी ली. शिवाजी थॉट ओवर द सजेशन. शिवाजी महाराज ने वो सजेशन पर ध्यान, मतलब सोचा उसके बारे में. He knew that the emperor could not be trusted. लेकिन शिवाजी महाराज was very clever. उन्हें पता था कि जो एम्परर है and even this जय सिंह was not at all a reliable person, यानी उन पर हम ट्रस्ट नहीं रख सकते. ट्रस्ट यानी विश्वास नहीं रख सकते. He had proved treacherous to his own brothers. Treacherous यानी जिन पर not trustworthy, not trusted person, यानी हम जिस पर विश्वास नहीं रख सकते. जो खुद के भाई, मतलब उन पर उसने विश्वास नहीं, खुद के भाई उनके तरफ वो ट्रस्टी नहीं था, यानी उन पर विश्वास नहीं रख सकते थे. तो हम तो है बाहर के लोग हैं. But in the end, Shivaji decided to take the risk and face the situation as cautiously as he could. But at last, as he had no choice and no alternative, Shivaji Maharaj ne decide kiya in the end that he should go and visit the emperor in Agra. He informed Jai Singh that he was willing to go to Agra to meet the emperor. और उन्होंने वैसे जय सिंह को इन्फॉर्म किया कि दैट शिवाजी महाराज मीन्स ही वॉज रेडी टू मीट द एम्परर इन आगरा. Okay children, in this manner we have finished the explanation of chapter number 12, and today only I am sending you the PDF of question answer, fill in the blanks, answer in one sentence and answer in 2 or 3 sentences, and one activity that is given in the book and that you have to solve in the notebook. Okay, so we will continue further in the next period. I am sending you the PDF. Write in a good handwriting in your new EVS2 notebook that you have prepared. Okay children, bye. Have a nice day.